Good afternoon, Boris families. This is Mr. Manjares, and I wanted to make another video on how to use AAA spell for spelling. So the first thing you want to do is on your webpage, go to AAAspell.com. That's AAAspell.com, and it'll have two different columns. One of them is going to be for spelling, the other for vocabulary. What we want to do, we want to focus on the spelling one. And so we go to the second of two choices. The first choice is enter a new spelling list. We don't want to do that. We want to practice a spelling list. So right here, this week's list was 1839351, which is short and long vowel. And you click on that, and it'll give you at least 10 different spelling activities that will help you practice your spelling words online. I won't go through all of them, but you could see there's Hearin Spell, missing a letter or two, spelling the word, guessing the letters, trading, scrambled, added, and so on. You don't have to do all the activities. In fact, I wouldn't recommend you doing that. I would probably recommend doing one or two at the most each night just to get familiar with it. The one that I would encourage you to use first is the Hearin Spell. What you do here, you listen to the word.
Graceful.
The word is graceful, and you spell it correctly. And you check it. If you get it correct, it should say you have one correct.
Nation.
And 100%. If you misspell it, for example, the word was nation. If I want to hear it again.
Nation.
And let's say I spell it nation, N-A-S-I-O-N, nation. I check it, and it'll tell me what the correct spelling of it is. And so, one thing you notice, it tells you how long you've been on it for. Right here, it'll submit the test. You don't have to do all that. If it does, you'll have to register, I believe. And so you don't have to do that. I'm trusting that your child is doing that, and I know that you're making sure that they're doing their work. But that's one activity. They could do missing letters, guess the word, and the missing letters one. It'll give you a word. Like the word should be erase. What's missing? The letter S. And the word resealable. What's missing? The letter A. So I kind of like that one. Or with two letters. Erase, it's missing the A and the E. And spell the word, you just have to retype it. Guess the letters. This is kind of like Wheel of Fortune, where you have to guess what the word is. So you choose a letter and you try to guess what that is. So maybe the word is acceptable, which I believe it is. And so yeah, those are some examples of how to use AAA spell. I think it's fun. It's a great way of practice. It's paperless, and just do one or two activities each night, mix it up so that students have plenty of opportunity to practice those spelling words. If on the other hand, if you're unable to get on AAA spell, then I would strongly just encourage you to have your child work on it in paper, pencil, or on whiteboard. Again, it's just good practice for them to practice their spelling words. So I wanted to send a quick video for you guys on AAA spell. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.